Hey guys, welcome back to Cryptology. In today's video I'm going to show you a little bit about the new Terra Luna farms on DFYN exchange. But first of all, you're going to want to get your money over there onto the exchange. So I'm going to show you a few different ways that you can do that. By the way guys, if your money is already bridged to either Ethereum or BSC, you can simply skip ahead in the video to the next chapter. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to go to bridge.terra.money. You're going to see this screen. To the left side, you're going to see the wallet you're bridging from, which would be your Terra wallet. To the right side, you select the one you want to bridge to, whether it be Ethereum or BSC. We're going to use BSC. Keep in mind I'm bridging to BSC because it's cheaper. However, if you choose the Ethereum route, it's identical in the bridging process, but I'm going to give you a quick overview towards the end of this video on how to get it to DFYN. Then we connect wallet. If you have a mobile app downloaded for Terra Station, click mobile. If you have a browser, click that, allow it. Now we go back. We're all connected. We can see our UST now. Now we're going to select the amount. I'll put in my destination address, which I'm going to use my BSC mainnet address for MetaMask. Paste it. Now they go over fees. You have a tax, you have a gas fee, which you can select which asset you'd like to pay for the gas fee within the Terra network. I want to pay in UST, obviously. And you click next, confirm your details. Then you switch over to the Terra app and sign the contract. And after that, your transaction should be going through. And now you've successfully bridged the funds. I'm just going to confirm over on this page real quick. Yep, it's complete. Alright guys, so once you've successfully bridged your UST over to BSC mainnet, you'll then go to your MetaMask wallet. Ensure that MetaMask is connected to BSC mainnet. If you don't know how to do that, I'm going to make a video soon about that. The link will be in the top right corner of the screen. And your token should pop up here. By the chance it doesn't, push add tokens and then manually add the token address, copy and paste it here. I'll put a copy of the token address in the description below. Next. And it should add it. Done. And now I'll see my tokens right in the bottom. It says UST. Next, you want to open up your browser. Click the little hamburger button in the top left corner. Go to browser. Then type in app.oneinch.io. The first one you're going to put in the top bubble is UST. Put your UST in there. Then the bottom, you're going to want to put USDC. Yeah, if you notice, my UST amount increased because I already had some. Now adjust your balance accordingly. And make sure to approve the transaction. I've already done so it won't pop up on mine. I'll push swap token. Then confirm swap. Now the transaction is submitted. And it's already done. For the next step, we're going to go up in our browser and go to stable.anyswap.exchange. And this is where you can bridge over stable tokens. Since we've got our 88 USDC, we can now bridge that from BSC over to Matic. So first of all, we're going to put in 88.97 USDC. And this here tells you, this pool section tells you how much liquidity you have, how much you can bridge over. Now we go to approve any USDC, approve again, transaction submitted, and complete. Now you will see that the swap option is available, so hit swap and confirm your swap. Transaction submitted once again. And we're complete. Now you're going to switch over to Matic mainnet. If you don't have that, I have a video that shows you how to set it up. So now we're at the final stretch. We then go to DFYN exchange. Go to the swap button. Then in the top section, we put in our USDC. Bottom section, type in UST. Max it out, or whatever you want to put in there, then hit swap, confirm swap, sign it, then wait for confirmation. Add the UST to your MetaMask so it'll pop up, close it. Now you have successfully bridged your UST to DFYN Network. Also keep in mind you could have swapped that USDC for Luna as well, in case you wanted to stake in that respective farm. Alright, so that leads us to the farming. That's what everybody's wanting to see anyways, right? So we go over to farms, and our new popular farms are Luna DFYN and UST USDT. Those are the new ones they just added. If you look at Luna DFYN, they're giving away 8,000 DFYN a day. And in the UST USDT farm, they're giving away another 8,000 a day, which could be very, very high APY depending on how much you stake in there. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how you add UST and USDT liquidity. First of all, you go over to here, make sure you have UST as well as USDT, so you're going to want to have both of those, and go over to your pool, click add liquidity, click on UST and put USDT in the bottom section, put in the max amount, then approve my UST. Transactions complete. Then I supply it and confirm supply, sign it, and add it, add the LP to MetaMask. Now we just scroll over, go to farms, popular farms, click the UST, USDT, then deposit those LP tokens. It'll tell me my daily rewards allowance. Approve it, then deposit, confirm. And now it's complete. So I'll be getting 9 DFYN per day at what, $3 to $4 a coin. It's pretty good little passive income. And that is how you deposit your LP tokens on DFYN farming. Okay, here's a bonus round for the Ethereum users. If you would have bridged it to Ethereum instead of BSC, it's much simpler. However, there's more gas fees involved. So make sure you're signed into Ethereum mainnet. Go to your hamburger button, type in wallet.matic.network. Here you can either search for Luna or UST, whatever you bridged over. You can bridge either over. Deposit, and that takes you to the Polygon bridge. You can then bridge over your wrapped Luna token or your UST to Matic Network. So then your assets will be able to be used on DFYN Network for their farming. If you guys thought this video was helpful or informative, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Goodbye.